Yes. Well, I don't know, sir. One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand my deal? Up move. Yeah, man. So we're there. We see Hautotube drop a video. Am I fired? Chuckstar and RJ LOL beef caused this. You understand my deal? So you don't know my thing going in and long chatting. You understand? So let me just dive right into the video right now. You understand my deal? Official. Yeah, I'm telling you this. Just scroll me the content, God, right now. You understand my deal? Up move. Go continue.
Celebration with weed and magnum. Take a quick pic cause the road up in my shop. Yeah. Road up in my shop.
Hautotube.
I just come back from foreign yesterday, see? I hear me out. They are foreign. And me I see. Me up on YouTube, you know, bro. Me I see the thing them, you know, and me I wonder what kind of beef thing, you know. He was a big artist with a big contract. Nothing beef in your contract, bro. I understand that. And it's not even like says a lyrical brief or some girl thing and is it me I say?
A some most wargo.
Let me ask you something now.
Bumbuckler is a white man this?
Easy on online on YouTube a trace a man and back and forth with a man. So what you deal with?
I really mean.
I think I'm a black man attack while I go to blood clot.
Who then?
And them start a little video in thing, prank and RJ.
Prank
Yeah,
for
prank
meeting, bro.
Prank.
Prank.
I don't know if them things come and be a bit of them
Alright,
on
okay.
internet and thing.
Rasmus. What the money I deal with?
Man say
Kind
prank.
of prank thing.
Prank a kids thing.
Prank me in your contract, you know.
Me and fuck with them and deal with. Yo, walk on.
Bro. You have to sharpen and that, you know, bro.
Yeah. Pull up your socks.
We don't have time for the prank thing, bro. No prank thing. What kind of prank? After the April. On the April Fool's this, you know. So we have to squash that, you know, bro. Like
Yeah.
Come back now.
That's straight up.
Me, I go squash it, you know.
Straight up.
You know, so it squash though, I just such man up in my feelings, really.
What is this about? Really, Andrew? Give me your story. What is this about?
It's a case, if like, me no know. It's me no know if man's know it there, or if man's know it there, but it look like them there, and Chuck I know what I want, so probably Chuck I make a move to her. So,
Alright, so let me ask
Make a move. I thought this was a prank. All the story a change.
yeah, what go on now, remember, you know, me go in there when the prank go on, me never know what go on.
Yeah.
A little after Chuck whisper in me in the prank and tell me say a prank, so we just go with it.
Oh.
You see what I said?
it's not a good look. I tell you straight. You're a big artist, and then you're not a pranking thing with people. You see me I say? So telling people they have to stop draw you out, and you have to care for where you draw yourself into, brother. And as your manager, your road manager, me I tell you, say, we ain't in them thing, the rude boy. I'm gone for 1 week.
Yeah.
1 week, me left you in your voice, I kill it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back and you gone in a lover's triangle
Loan.
business, bro.
Yeah,
That
man.
is not a
Loan
good
drama.
look, bro. That is not a good look.
Wrong bang.
I'm sure Rasmus agree with me. That is fuckery. A fuckery them I deal with.
Yeah.
Why we need a fuckery, dog. Concentrate on what you are concentrating on.
Money
Don't
is the
people
pre.
Draw you out. You
Facts.
see me I say? Who involved? You? Who else?
Such man, RJ.
RJ. So where's
Such
RJ?
man.
Because I have to give him a talk to, you know, make him know what time it is, you know.
You know, man, I'm chat to them.
I ain't in a beef with him. Or over the prank.
No, I ain't you know, put my feelings and. Alright, you say, well, I used to live there, still they yell for each other.
Right.
The man don't yell me. Like a me, I look Taviar sitting.
So you will take step on.
Yeah.
You know why?
Mostly, me no know.
Because you're the big bad artist. So I have to take step on you. But guess what? No man can ride your wave, you see it? You're a surfboard are for you only. So we need to cut the fuckery regime, big man thing, dog. Come on, I want to know, say when I'm going to foreign again, go book something for you. I'ma come back and a beer bangarang in. That not look good for you.
Alright, go pause that real quick. That brother, I'm sweet think of a white man and black man attack while ago. I see the dog shoot out in head and I see him coming at the video and I say, oh, the blood clot is a blood clot white Bobby. You remember the chocolate sweetie Bobby? the round sweet here. I saw the man look like a white Bobby. The man had shine the blood clot. So we see Hautotube slave master, manager. I tell him, say, yo, bro, load the fuck you alone. You understand? A money we are dealing with. Prank in your contract. Beef in your contract. The man I say, yo, me a vegetarian. RJ alone in that beef. You understand me? I say, yo, why is Hautotube getting the blame? And I just remember they need a storyline, so they're going to continue switch this shit up. You understand? Because now me here say Chuck a move to it. No, it don't sound like it's a prank. It sound like Chuck did actually did that move to my girl. You understand what I say? So, me don't know how guys. So I don't know how Atto getting the blame for nothing. Because if me was Atto and people are blame me, I'm going to tell us, you're real and truly burger suck your mother. Big woman thing. Them mania who said them, what you call it now, manager and producer and where. First of all, brother, I'm a big man. Don't come at me. Well, no, Hautotube young still, so. If me was Hautotube, but I tell you, brother, don't come to me with no fuck you, bro. If you did actually watch the video like you claim it up on YouTube, you say, yo, brother, me not have to do it nothing. I just report, I make my money, put ads for my video, I'm gonna do my thing. You understand my daily? But anyway, me no bag of chatting, can we continue real quick?
I see them thing here, online, bro. How much thousands of views it have. When there foreign, I saw me I bite my blood clot finger. I say, yo, what? No, sir.
Yeah.
We need in that dog. So, I'm not even a beg you, I tell you, sir. It done there, sir. It done now. No.
Man, say me not beg me, I tell you.
None of that shit. We're a big man. And that in your contract. Remember that.
No thing, man.
You
First of all, you're my manager. You can't give me them talk. You gotta suck your mother.
hits after hits. We're not on time for no prank, bro. So just avoid him. And if you no can, is it me I say just nip it. Just nip it in the bud and make a move forward. But
Man, all of y'all are benefiting from this prank with them YouTube you do. All I know.
a serious thing. You have your contract. I don't know about some man. You can't talk for your next one. You have your contract. Focus on you. You see me I say? Cause man, that this one call me in here for a fuckery, you know, Rasmus. A really fuckery like you said. A straight fuckery. I'm not on the time for that. And I don't think you.
Too.
Yeah, we have to talk to RJ too, you know. You see me I say?
Yeah, man, I even talk to man, I might be a problem.
Everybody have blood clot beat up RJ. RJ get low and thump left, right, and blood clot in the center.
Governor, because I not pay no money, so we governor lifestyle sit now going over there.
No, nothing can go on over here, so. You're mad? But me back in the place, Rasmus there. Me see the last video where you run them blood clot out of the place because when I entertain certain things,
Yeah.
see me no leave a tracing on them things.
Wanna go home?
Me no response to nobody else.
Straight
You
up.
Me response for.
Yeah.
You have your contract, you know what you need for do.
Yeah.
We take it as alright. You made a mistake. Nobody's perfect.
Yeah.
So we just press on and you do the thing.
Yeah.
I'm still awake on bang a phone, you know.
Now I hear it, man.
You see me, I know the people them awake on it too.
At the future, me that wait for him stay. My Rasmus to deal with the future for me, with the artist.
Alright, well. Or whatever Rasmus say, you know, bro. Me just on the road, you know. You see me I say? So what go on in here, sir, them man they response for it. You see
Yeah.
what go on out the road and in the public, me response for that.
Yeah.
You see me I say? I don't want people to call me and say, oh, you artist in a beef. I say, what kind of beef? My
Yeah.
artist a vegetarian. I'm in a deal with beef. You see me I say? And as I come back, Rasmus call me and say, yo, Roddy, forward.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, I what? The man say, yo, when you reach. I say, oh, the blood clot, you said to me.
Yeah.
So, you know what you need for do from now on. Just remember your contract, my youth. That is all you for remember. Anything you want to do or jump on, run it by me or run it by Rasmus, bro. We're there for guide you. But that not needed. You see me I say? You have anything else you want to say, Rasmus?
Yeah.
That's it.
Cause we don't have time for this, you know, bro. This one come in here for prank. We need a prank thing with a guy. You see me I say? I'm gonna smoke a cigarette and easy myself, yeah?
Man.
So, I'm gonna handle that. I'm gonna talk to RJ too. Him there?
Yeah, and him supposed to.
Alright, no worries, no worries.
Bring him.
Alright.
Alright, so what they must say about the thing now up there, sir?
Yeah, we need to get the place up. Order.
Celebration with weed and magnum. Take a
Yo,
quick
so
pic 'cause it
anyways, I don't want to hear the blood clout song there. We also have blood clout in the video, so I don't want to hear that. We at the beginning already. So we see the slave master, Hautotube manager. I say, yo, brother, that ain't in a contract. Load them people alone. Load the girl thing, load the prank thing of the kids. You understand? And April Fools. Fuck that. You understand me? I did it. So I say, Hautotube look like poor thing, like Hautotube a fret, Hautotube a beat out of them chat. And I say, you know, say, yo, blood clot, yo. Am I gonna get fired? What go on? You understand me? I say, so like the man them back up Hato in one corner, Hato just succumb to it, and I say, Hato start snitch. The man say, yo, RJ. Why everybody a beat down RJ? Everybody a boof up RJ left, right, and center. I still don't see how Hato have nothing to do with none of this. But I see Hato stand up with Chuck. I don't know if Chuck did tell him say it's a prank before or after I see him grab RJ and throw RJ down on the ground. You understand me? I say, I see the man gospel man get RJ. When I watch 876, I was say World Dog push RJ. We say RJ a feeble man. Zane. When me look at me see Hautotube of the man, Hautotube stay so. Grab him and just put him out and say, come here. Go over there, sir. RJ stay so. I said the man a fling the man, sir. I said the man did him like rag doll. You understand what I say? So we go to boom on. We watch the video and again, Hautotube don't have nothing to do with nothing. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand what I say? Make know what you're thinking in the comments. One nation and Imara nation. Up move!